Alright, it was Siana and Makawa Sonko, and then Subium, Ewo Abrabo, according to Jumedi, so Nana Sikedra TV, and I say Sikedra TV, and yes, streaming live from the studios of FPN TV. Yes, and I streaming live at the amount Quans on Costa Bravo, something I make a cinema Jumedi, and then Subium, your share, Senator Danny, Bravo, according to Jumedi, and the brother Bia, Obia, Obunit Bessie. Wherever you find yourself, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatever. It depends on baby at war. Say what Dubai, say what US, say what UK, say what Ghana. Baby I will be a chiasson and come out and say a good evening or Ghana. Baby I want so a good morning and a good afternoon. Obey me, Bomadiana, One, Ache, Jumedi, not Bibia, I come across some consulting. If you are watching us live, make sure you share the video for us wherever you find yourself. Share no Bomadian, so share video at the Maya Panson Consqua. And that's you now make catch us a bravo according to Jumedi, and I had a bro baby be a bravo according to Jumedi. And a bro baby beer will be a Nameka will say, Abrabako to Jumedi, Nano, ye didn't come on for destiny, personal destiny. Ye didn't come on for destiny according to your mother's tribe, destiny according to your father's roots, destiny according to your mother's family, yes, and a destiny according to your father's roots tribe. And you have a share destiny according to your birth, and a destiny according to your color. We obia wabasa si subia destiny edo by ewo twaka ewo atade a wo hye so aduane a wodi so niam bi a ye no ye destiny ne ene no wo twaka ba to da bi a ase ye nim saa ne manti ma ye ko how bebre mu ye ko how bebre mu in the sense aduane bi a ye ni kwase ye di ntade bi ni kwase ye hye ye sha a blocking from say you be tumpon abrabo mo blockade sika sami but eto be e fa ne normal yes embre no sia nana sikedwa meka say ne emre so ono and one of the finest sia meshia no or Ashanti region and you ba be din komo why crowd e ba be din komo ba e be hwe wow hwe me if we kwadwo we kwamna we yaw we ama we ya we kua destiny a wo de bass asiso ene ba be di hu community but money an say ene e betena sabi kopin 7:08 na so dwumede so at the same time destiny a e ba be di hu komo wo twaka wo atade hyemu ene so entina ende eti ha ene ti so wo hwe ya na watena se boko na woni a che dwumede no for comments, opinion, or suggestions, we trim for the opposite will can be a Fabra and can come from mouth. And I know your messages will be by me and can come and find me. And I'm bringing Isra into your battery at the right time. Will do justice and you be reading messages in the amount. Yes, and Breno, Asha say, make us say 8 to Mikaya and Casanti, Ebeko Siaho, na Enisia, Nicosia, and Macabason. Right, and then to be made a person, so they be our by our person will be me one time. Come, hey, see, now go come tidy, and I say, be out on tidy if I'm away.
Yamio, the work of Chairman I'm sure you're fine.
Right, may I say, and I'm eating common, the be an American say, me who say comment will be a bar. Reactions will be about by comedy about destiny, personal destiny, about destiny according to your mother's family, about destiny according to your father's tribe, your core roots. Numuankasa, a man for the same to start with, you know, recap kakra about what we did last Sunday, that Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Yes, in recap kakra, and then Yakwande Edian so. Right. Right. Quite see a mirror
near the schedule coffee.
Sikedra coffee.
Near the young minimum good a bush and Tony Nasa.
Right.
Near Chia Ghana, your man, you know, take us. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Same say that.
Yachia, particular course or Yura, Nasi to have a view.
Which are you working so?
Machia Ghana, anything. Ibokin de ibenya
no wada je ono kwa isi no hwa ka dwe mama for police for akofa
no no kwa de no de me nyihuma
ebedi nkomo
me pese asem no duru ni baby akoda no say ache no kra de enye hwe and you say normal
say but me so me hu say it's a good step I say
it's a good step
you two anamon bi
because I said at the end of running about 2 weeks 3 weeks no my mum pen phone no bia
up to now normal relax here
engineer quite say yen youth no kwan na yen ntokwa na ye Ebasa so nipa na won ne kono ono deep root
that's right
and was an build
ne ho
root e Ghana
within our political landscape
in our elite hierarchy no
that's right
enti
you be di no
information so mon connecting kiti we dey na mo ben info nyina no na ere nsa no me
what you say
flexible na mon connecting kiti we dey mo nsa na be ko hene
that's right
enti anamo a the former flag
bearer for since a PSC or APC yeah
Mr.
Hassan Ayariga that's right
what to know
it's in the right step right
sabi ebinim so camouflage o mo di bebi dey so be ya ye be joni e ja kire die
sure
but ye be can say good step
I think the Ghana ye kasa
at least ye hu say panyini bi
etu anamon bi
e wo Ghana ha youth ne concern no ono so ha na wetu anamon
that's right
say aban hotel just in pain for be treating with all seriousness no it's up to them
that's right
one treating with all seriousness so you who say at least one man at youth no your pains in your fears na nyankopon shira no
right
but we will deal with him
at the right at the appropriate time right now me kasa Ghana for so say pe kasa e kasa be brave
but action
intimi
enkusiase
the time me kasa plan say ye chia grade akọ tu mu ye man 15 years sentence no am for say ye dey to kwan akọ ama no ne oni Ghana oni prison or ha I say kasa na do bibia I say there obia sorry I no can you unnim bibia don't come out and say any ade a unnim e bit say booking the I say kasa ya na ye yankofo so kasa e booking ye nche no ne ade but see so far ya che no I say many times assemble your various and I say various opinion obia ne na dwen but dodo na akoko yes I say mo kasa no
kasa
keke
action be antatu
that's right. This is a good step for me, I think so. Right. Any recap of what we did last Sunday?
Yeah, last week Sunday, you didn't come up much details.
Right.
About your mommy, and nanum abusim.
Right.
Baby, Ghana, mrem, amamilini amanim.
Yeah.
Law and by tradition and culture and custom. You pick it at the shidi. And I said royalty free.
No.
Very good. So we call Papa Famua. We didn't pick royalty free.
That's right.
Oh Papa, every man I won. But about royalty, I bet me I classify as a royal.
Right.
I bet me dear the title I come from your Santifo anymore. It should come from your mother's side.
Okay.
And I say your mother's bloodline.
Right.
Eti eho no ya de na no kweseda no edi ho nkomo yi na baby a ye born papa yi about
fathers tribe
fathers no baby a unhini ewo no
right
na kire baby a udua no
esi
ubenyini aduru
okay
sanya obesi ayefe afa abadodo obetimi aso nti dudu obedi ansa na oso apore na wogu na ye twawo na do akosoja enti ihunu se root no ehiama ye nipa
right
especially yen youth sani ebe ya ye betimi aye grounded we are say ya be ni abraba ya be bon
right
eni ensan hwe se ye ma me fam ne so abusua bia wo na shamso ani ni dim da so
okay
ana edin ne ahyenson no na se akrabo bi a oda abusua no franka so no
yeah
se ni huni mfaso wa abusua no dwumadie hunam ne hu famu a nkomo mfasa aboa no nye abusua no ahyenson
right
ento abusua no franka so e be huni se abusua no dawson na ebiare ne din ne biare na ahyenson na ebehunu se abusua bi ti se asona
Asuna.
Yeah, my much detail about it. And maybe when you say Asuna, one more Ashen song, and I said, Bissona crab one, and then Anini, and I said, Papa, Debbie, and I said, Crow. And indeed, your first son, Comodian, you may when you said that's a 1 year connected to Julian Program. Now, some one in your bonnie.
Okay, send Uncle Fokan.
Baby,
send a man for can. Right.
A year baby, Ghana for a California before dinner. Because I come in and say, baby, memory dear, if you say Bruni, the Christo song, and then I drink coffee by and more be no praise specific rules. And ma Yananan, whom family and Ponam from Abraham. Classify Munina as evils,
okay,
devils, witchcrafty. You'll be also say, or connecting one as or associating
with those one. Right.
But of course, you go corona so up. But the unknown song, the bruni that two was said, or no need young coupons in by Ginidi. The final so soon, young coupon. Who could create one song for someone in Yago.
Right.
Oh, see one more for
Ukumba over called Jill.
Don't want some crow back a dear better. Who the car, Cochrana Sabi? Well, who not per se, and I can take Rabbi Chamwa. Now, Bona cameras, Siquan, where I go. I was at Ujana Alpha one. Now, no come out ventinary for. So, we are still by a report.
All the carbon panel.
You use one on Goose Afro Simon. Back with him. No one found records, and said, and can't tell no mere 9,000, and the car number so. Okumba, when you say Nabeka 8,999.
That's right.
Watching one sunny you, so I don't treat you more.
Right.
But you buy a hand so you can treat someone better and well than a brother.
Okay.
So, a dear answer. Tinano could say, and you're not doing by a hustle. Actually, say they are of divine nature.
Right.
And they carry divine assignments on earth.
Beyond an assignment or the bad assignment.
You see, so they see a bunch of
right. And see, now when you go so I will share a Brabant to Jumedie, one of the finest social media programmer, and then a man for a different command for a cancer do a program. And yes, I think say comments no bet me Eddie about the answer. And now over to us on my a comment section. I'm sure now comments I hold by now. I say confidence Keba, yes, I say Sia Nanasika Sikedra 1, okay, and I went so I say Charles Esiama, I say very insightful program made a tree a do ampon. Bless you, Sia. That's right.
Amen.
Ediya who do I mention if possible na comment in the doors mention say me kaina and yes also there mention let me see what is here now there you move on and then so be me dey share kwaso so then and I will see sequence so I would dey brain if your destiny according to your birth and a destiny according to your color. Entirely shame and die away. Destiny is saying, then a destiny can find a die away and I feel so entirely shame.
The two for young coupons,
right?
The Yahushua, Yamashiach, the true Hebrew Messiah. I don't know waiting tomorrow. Dear, maybe a chance, Yamanipa.
Right.
It's me, no more shit, and so, and they said, so what they are brothel calendar on the gray, so what the year man in most cases, I'm a baby near a damper. I didn't hear. So what they are brothel calendar, said the Omo hyehyɛ no no ɛne ɔmo date no sɛ ne esi running no wo de check obi date of birth ɛma na sɛ bia wonya ne wrong
okay
enti because sɛ abibifo enti no mo hyɛ no so
sasi so bi mami wo de abrofo calendar
abrofo calendar
right
by month arrangement no and by days
right
arrangement no and weeks
no
arrangement no adwuma most of the times 99.9% we are wrong and it's blue adwuma bi we are fa
okay
most cases no even timing crowd say o follow omo timing no now the year muhumnyuma ye deep wa o time me say hours ya e was already the appropriate energy
results now okay
particular spirit ya o be so ba no be address this issue either say ono be ba akọ ansa no ahye adwuma na say ansa wo be hye adwuma na say ye wi
ansa no aba wow ana waka
obi o ye muhumni bi ha what does you go or the time
yeah
any hours any numbers digits dates adwuma bia no obe attest to what I'm saying. I'm not lying.
That's right. And I
mean,
but
but kakra bi na omo from spiritualist ya omo nim security because obi ho no onya gunu sign the way we are tenase no abo wo so na doma
ken
away the way
and I mean try no me asaba oka no me gidi and the reason be enti make us me gidi ni say on say na no ka asem bi and that na ya hyehyɛ no say and Wednesday
na
ukuada but sabri ya ekoyi nya yewura yawadam nti eche say time no ebi a wo de pese wo de ya ade no ebi a no ochena no nipa no be start but it should start from now nti say see koye bibi yawada enu kwa so twema yawada no be ba ansa
yawada no pa no nsia o oba
o spirit na a guide we bon ho ba
o twa de bia na anwumre 8
o twam akọ
8 nti o se 7:59 na wote o vision board wani ana wote o altar ni na wote o prayer chair na o chair 8 no asha de class
right and we here no sufi ho no ma o say timika say ye sacrifice obey no so one year no at the right time
which name is it
we make say
we so ya no memene da we say ya yawada three no 1 PM why do we so 3 PM but obey at 3 PM emfa me one nanka ye twen 3 AM
okay
but nipa no bradwini o mo say yawada na osa no pa no nsia na oda sorry e chese kwasha yawada nti no o chese yawada wi atre no e no be se adwuma
right
o bo enfa
afen so say wakọ ebia nkwantanan so na okwakoye bibia ma for elements no e ka say yawada na say ukuada e wo say ukọ ukuada
e wo say ukọ efiada e branda anwumre no nsia
okay
brother anwumre no nsia kosi anwumre dubaako that means say wawura ukuada
right
na saabre no ena ukuada ena gisim
eye adwuma
omo ye adwuma de aba besi ukuada na anwumre no nsia enti ukoye ade no ukuada anwumre no nsia kopim ukuada anwumre dubaako a wawura yawade right emene kwa na
ko bat ye fa wo ntwato ena no ye wo fi dada no amete ase se nipa wu be 5 months France na ebia ka bi na bebo no a abono nipa wu no so say no so time sa bibia time coded we I think say this happened on PCA TV at the time o my yet say o say ka bo bi sesi a but enye sesi na ka any so dey hu say ndey ya na but spiritually no nipa no be 5 months ago
sir
na and so masem kakra na enko
say obi wu a am sana and the car being accident in them. I mean, you probably at 10 a room. So I need part time. Dear, one new woman and crown. It should be 5 days.
5 days.
Just a nurse on the end, well, who
and as will be crying, will be vision. I will say, Semesi, be better now.
Also, or will be bad. Yes, a torrential. Impetu. And but you will be anywhere about to Nipana. So, young Fanny didn't cock out for one at Torrential to know bit me wound.
Wow.
That plane, it gets me to you. Any part in any part 73, if you any part 300, any part 700 in the room, only net you not at 30.
Right.
At 30, no, only a superhuman. That means in all circumstances, you won't dini.
Okay. Instead of list now, yeah, Trump deal with phone. I'm the other fra, I'm one count. You be ye on my friend.
Or more count, yet there with
be ye with him.
Obi to me, plane crash. Not what cat quiet beam desert to be. But 3 weeks. I will prepare. Still, after that 3 months, not rescuers be about 4 be. I could know I did not know a young one. I say, you are Bema a troop, a free mono. I think the incident they see, yeah, it got to a point, and if you must share underground, if you must share, I don't go some way, but almost be good here. More so cry. I was waiting to call a move cry for the dada. And so, be underground, so 5 days. Almost shall have to see you on them hospital and no tears. Young and then I must have common deal or common deal. I come to the beer, but the Yami bomb because I'm with Dean or Dean young right. Yes. Right. So we're looking at timing. Maybe a memo up and check or bomb pie, where you say, maybe about time. And it's a best one and then some patrol. And then the entire time in the calendar and the dim time. Right. And destiny according to your date of birth. Destiny according to your date of birth. Date of birth beyond particular energies here associated with the dates and the birth of that person. So person we be we are can we are santini. Now person we should share date of birth now no correct yeah. In fact, January and your first month of the year. Okay. We're wrong. Okay. For April. April. For your first month of the year. Okay. Now for the kind of May. And your second month. June. Third month. July. Fourth month. You shall say January, February, and the 11th and the 12th month of the year and family. Okay. Who follows our sequence now? After calculative date of birth now. Italy. I say, Wako Bank now tell her no. I can't with say 10 million out of buy a money machine. Italy paper now say 10 million paper now the boom. Wow. Simply because I didn't proud of Pope Gregory and Saint Augustine, Emperor Constantine, including Pope Leo. Yeah, the internal are much interested in making sure the ancient Egyptian calendar na really we are assembly no say the right month no, the right date no, the right time no, now the year ade awo bibini wo pair obenya the rhythm right with the universe. I say new airborne na osa
the right asa.
The right asa.
That's new bonus asa na osa no different from enyum na bo say. Obi a be say no we onim sa.
Onim sa.
Wow.
I was you on say.
Why is that?
Na you be na we say.
That's right. That's right.
Jamaican said you are dancing out of the rhythm of the song.
That's dancing out of the tune.
Out of the tune. So Bruni is a pattern in my work. Now fula. It means you are out of the divine rhythm.
Wow.
You are out of the divine alignment. And then obey my 40 days. Obey we no results by Okrama.
Wow.
Rather than you know, I feel now about confront more challenges.
A lot of challenges.
So the question is, in the 40 days in Yankopon,
when you umpire one,
when Chomo, when you know one day cry,
I'm turning some crample.
And I said, Bophobia, Mountain Chain within 40 days, no army here, one samba, it could be yes. The answer could be yes.
Right.
Because when already you are out of the divine alignment. And after 40 days, you know, aligning with the universal energy.
Right.
With the creator's breath.
Right.
And he said, date and no near my old day, and sign and follow.
Parting, I'll say
follow. Parting also follow now. Forget 40 days. In the
if I say, I say, BBSC won't buy one of mine. There's a blockage.
There's a vacuum.
A vacuum.
It's in uncovered. But Obi or Tiabu, or Hemi Abia dance, say, even in sorry, cry Yabro from sorry, or more sorry, or Mudra, sorry, them Empire Pan, or more Bompire Chan, 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
So many activities in the service. But say you say stand up or kneel down and pray to God in a good way 15 minutes. But at the end of the day, they keep on prospering than any Timothy watch night. I say from if you're there, you may no watch it. Me upon me down no pa no see. Yentiminya any concrete results be a whole watch night. Massive prayers. To me, Bompire, we say, not vapor free nipa on them room, and no quite creative crowd above. But still, ye pieba, nothing to show.
Same results.
That means that. And young pie and pendo do be about Bompire, hours be about be stay in prayers. And the results, Papa, we have a bro.
Right, but in Papa,
but near my was a woman, pie, but now be born. To say be us away, alignment be us away,
right?
Rituals be us away,
right?
And sana, even bath be great us away, cleansing be us away. Particular perfumes in the oils, incense be us away,
okay.
Also, the big good oil mudistra. Oh, but you know, your particular point, the new joint be a while. I also the particular oil be anointed.
Okay.
Certain number. And sign of Abedina most high. Now only not communicate. Now angelic energies net me a bam. Now I carry on some to the throne room of the most high God.
Right.
And then he said, oh, you see the right rhythm. And my old date of birth now. You get everything right.
Okay.
Now I'm saying one of new didn't come be a few said something like that.
Right.
Now me try will say, okay, I'll do try. The entire almost sit down, I'm making sure said there are bunkers.
Yeah.
And I said bankers. It will fear us and say Abontene. Very difficult so I be enough for dancing about team I will chill. No better rituals. Because cameras are all over the place.
That's right.
The fear now was no I creating underground bank be over. enti ọkọ na wo baby ya cement e wo fam ho o baby ya green grass wo fam ho ena e wo baby ya e fam no tie raw wa twaso na ode praye apras na wa ye smooth
right
na ode ne nsa your particular insurance bi wa ye nsa bom ena ode aye ye ne sigil ne circles e wo fam ho as wo wura ho a wa creative for junction bi wo fam ho e underground
right
okojina ho a any power bia person ode ne ye adwuma from crossroads bia obetim na ye adwuma wo sa for enti broni bia o eskeni bi no ani fie only underground banker or not just for security. Most cases no dey to fie wa omu dwane ko share underground bankers.
No, what we are saying.
Banya nunti titiri omu criticize there for spiritual purpose.
Well, what we are saying, you know, I think it's na saying e beto dwa say Michael Jackson obi na ku no PDB and e ku no Puff Daddy na ku no ne ade am ko ni fie ko ransake ho no ne ade no am hu ta na obi a we created from the bedroom baby anem palisi no we tu ta no ho no mo to Michael Jackson fie ofam e de ko ho e ko ye ne niam ye ne Richards sa ta no na so ofam a o exit bebre ho no ma e ha baby oye ne birthday odine birthday oye ne recording ni nyom to no nyom baby won so oye prayers oye rituals wo hono ma amko discover sane mani nyina. So what we are saying, you know, ntro na utwa no pre na wo kan.
Very good. Anunti abrofie
if you Michael Jackson feel kura mu hu sa tano ne bi e wo ho a lot of tano na this time I'm discover me pray
escape from American and Europe. They are not fools.
So they if we are seeing the crowd no amo a me hu video bi a world superpowers no when they are going to have a meeting amontana ebia hotels akese and amoye meeting they go underground on so a world prepared to say
place bi America on for Sacramento okowa buildings no bush
obian ko ho
but on one year car kwan from the outer city no to that place obian ko streets omo duro na enye abrosan no so no san meeting no omo san ko underground no makwa esa meeting underground ho no mo deda ti daytime no mo dia ba so na be refresh omo kakra wo so no swimming pool snia de ade it's underground ho no omo wo meditation room ho omo wo ritual room ho no mo prayer room ho what do they do there?
That is we nyina omo amo ye bi o hono just for their own benefit. Na ebia wo fie wasi wudan we be otakakra bi kura na wo bompa ya ehu a say wosom bosom why
o ka wosom bosom dia enye hwe wosom bonsam
that's right.
Either say be brand o okot anasa wosom bonsam okay kasa wosom bosom dia say dia nkan dia
normal Matthias na
ye be brand o satanic ye be brand o Luciferian Illuminati ye nya de bo wan ese no an
voodoo ne de kaka ho voodooism
anunti
right I think say
date of birth no there was so many things to do with baby o say wo bo mpaye
okay
ebere o say wo bo mpaye
okay
eda wo bo mpaye a obi bia timi ko duru obo ade ani
right
any don hwere ni sima o say wo de ye mpaye bo wo de ye mpaye bo oh yeah ritual bia awa o say wo ye no
right
afi angels are connected to the date of birth. For instance say ye wo ebia 23rd March 24th March 29th March 1st April see 19th 18th 19th April
right
we Aries
na enchem kakra
Aries no na chance ye odwan a wa
ben obetumi ayi fita obetumi ayi tuntun
the ram
okay
Very good. Enti the number is 1. Opita 3 numbers.
3 numbers.
The first number is 1.
Right.
Because Aries and the first zodiac of the month.
Okay.
April. Very good. Then Opita number 1.
Okay.
Onokrona or Sankita number 3.
1.
Onokrona Sankita number 5. Because Aries, the planet is Mars. Mars, the day is Tuesday.
Okay.
Tuesday, and the 3rd day of the week.
Right.
And Mars, is being ruled by Archangel Camel. Camel, so the number is 5.
Okay.
Until Okuta 135.
135.
And it is a 29th March. The first number is 29.
29.
2 plus 9 and so 11.
2 plus 9. 11.
Very good.
Right.
Now say what the 1 now back count as Aries now back count. Now I say what the year now is it 2000 or 2002? Aba count. To back in our boom. I say not what babenya enipano the shebre aba the destiny number. Your additions been so how they can one a mouth enipano the frequency light code.
Right.
Your numbers go outside the can one a mount enipano the energy frequency number for every year.
Right. Into Nana will be our share is here be about anima obet me all these things you are talking about.
Obi or heavy piano.
Obet me my profile.
The date of birth, mammy say
right, more sharp.
Let me details. I profile name in the man.
Right, into Obi our share is here be my date of birth is here.
But there,
Fabra
send it to message.
Send it to comment.
Now maybe can to mouse here.
Now ever can in natural.
Or more having so or more enemy what chat or WhatsApp.
I'm also
or more and so person me him almost
right. And see for date of birth and a date no and a month no year.
Any year no asa.
Okay. Na enye ho adwuma na to aso message mbe share video na my kwan so ma afoforo so enya ho fa so
enti se ye wakere sama obi a hanu na afi ade biara fo abrabo ho ewom.
Okay.
Enti uko deep then you will get to know the archangel who is following that person.
Right.
You will know guardian angel who is with that person.
Okay.
You will know guardian spirits.
Right.
Who is following that person.
Right.
After you will know a particular name of God that is following that person. After you will know tribe. Oh, free. After who dig go deep no. After na ayi family nipa firi mu aba. Na ayi tumia edini pa na busia no so de aba.
Wow.
Now say ayi evil spirits and the witches and wizards and warlocks are.
Well,
omo nipa no ho a omo de ne say omo be create event ama boni a e wona bra bom no se so nyina atoto.
Wow.
It brings all of them out.
Wow.
And it will be our hemi a my head mama ni bia be dia dance. So o frame na person ye detail sane man wa me chance we free akuma Sunday affordable mama eno ni in charge.
Right.
We free akuma Sunday akuma mo affordable mama
say the asem here no tukwan
na fe me hwe wo kra ye hwe wo nso no.
Right.
E dia ba de na akuma so affordable ye de to e ya de sere ma wa o kra ne be so
na meti ase say
na fe yetimi enya access to much broader information
about you.
Meti
ase say say o de sa de man e ba no affordable no we say a link between you and your destiny.
Sir.
And now what you say until wo de affordable ne ba ma ade na wo ye no so
connect with energy no disconnect ba de ye nim direct
because say one person akura na wo send ba ya because from the heart. Sir, what do you know akoma mu wo send 1 million the sa connection eba what's an 50 cedi there is a connection wow
and nti obi a wo hwe me bia e be dia dance se unya frame na so di for me pese o hye weni mu mami na me hwa na e require say ye di kan call date of birth ni mu a me can tell say we issue me no say call date of birth ti send wa kuma so for the ball
e fa
mami na fi file date of birth ni udi ni kan nia opese ye code deep no mitim kan so fa ma me papa di ni pro free so kan bra but a simple with your name and your date of birth.
Wow.
We can go.
Right. I think say Emreno say Emreno call and Emreno it was 7:50, so we don't have enough time. But me per se you be share date of calendar bet your destiny according to your calendar. Let's conclude with the date of birth.
And the date of birth it is say or passport.
So passport.
So who took kindness the passport ma bibi bia fa wo ho ene wakwantu no bia no ewo so ko duru oman nim na say bibi bia to wa with your passport no they will be able to trace you country gonna wakoso no hosting country they will be able to trace you no more ba kura wo free mu a wo ba wo ho no ade bia fa wo ho and we busua and we be out in nipa o me involve or say o respond to them and they will get them
and a date a wo ba sa akro so
e mo mu hunu ni nyina because ni nyina no is recorded in the passport
right
visa de ma no o purpose bread a we stay bibia o visa ni me dia share passport ni
a stampos
say
stampos so just say valid
and nti dia wo koye no ho ni bibia no bia be fa bia no they can have a track on your movement.
Right.
Sign a date of birth.
That's it.
Baby, I will free our bar. Sign date of birth. And then your passport.
Okay.
And to say, ye baby, be a home.
I just a date
of birth. Ye baby, a witchy. Ye baby, up connected to baby, I will free by. And I said, dear, how are? Nay, dear, how? Near dear, a person sell. Near the person ye. Near dear, or no walking.
You be grand and you will be
near a tell so. I was said you follow Saturday to bed now. It means get it to Sir Root Nina.
Wow.
It is a one year date of birth, not right here. Information opening in
a
very wrong.
Because there's no way 1 + 1 better 10 that. And there 1 + 1
is even date of birth name is the color of Nippon cry so being not so or color. Into my color we may who be a very difficult.
Wow.
Then it is said Arizona American. The first color is red. Because April month is being ruled by Mars. Mars and so the color is red. The planet of blood. And Archangel Camel now that's a Samuel on the color is red. Okay, the second color is yellow because of the connection to Amen-Ra, the sun.
Amen-Ra, the sun.
Very good.
Right.
Okay, the third color is white.
White.
In most cases, if you also choose light blue.
Light blue, and as a sea blue.
And as a sea blue.
Right.
But Sanipano. Combining them with all these colors. Now, or start to say, or the year, now, only the destiny number, only the lucky number, only the magic numbers, only the large frequency code number, no name the frequency energy number for the year now, no the circles in the kind of one. I was saying, and near maybe a obstacles. I started to recede.
Okay.
I was saying, a chance, yes, a bubu, a drigu, a three-ho, a sandwich, a bubu, and a quamu, a daho.
Senema, a bunch of watch a chilwa with you when ye, Versica 7 kuye, Wajuma 7 kuye, I was some, I did be a how a brabumbiano.
I was saying, who said, positive,
changes. Okay, right. So without that, in the day, she said, oh, wow. Without
that, no. most people no etwa we ni nyina eja na ebi akọ so for ho di for ho kom for ho malam ho spiritualist di ho me bobre nyi me hia moa okay let me pass our consultation ona nan fie no tumi we ni o henti yem pe bibi apisi o na ensere nhyira ma okay ne ni pana follow no aye afi bi after be 6 months 1 year na start
yediaba
enyeska but fashion dream say wonim ni date of birth no ahode ni niema ewo problems ewo onim ni zodiac no ni omo onim
require
ni omo require from him onim
right
it is scan there ahwa ya PCC ya honhom tiskeba edebedru town bi no afi na die zodiac ne planet no so require no na onim na afi eno ho
esan redraw
event no eba na afi I started pushing back to baby I know one okoye na okonya mo na scan started say eba
na aye say ya chichiro wo edo wato efiase
very good
winning freedom biom
afi winning freedom biom na eno na duru level bi a hu planet ni zodiac no omo requirement no say emma omo ma science na na emma ahanim na ehu no afi nipa no timi sha ase even onya kwankro yare
chronic disease
na asati shi ni sika
abaton na japade
accident no odi dem
besta na ho asa emsa
ejetimi to na dwuma mu na ahye
wow
ejetimi to ne fie na ahye ne yire etimi buja no ne yire betimi yare serious for 3 months na bra wa brenye scan be bi waduru nyina ne nyina ahye in 3 4 5
e dia sayare
na ne yire na sawu na yie na san boneka na bosia wo den obibi odi nyina na san boneka na asan kwetena ne yisi
ina bi wo cry ya san blind o nse wo ko ha obenya yare sa but ye ma won go that direction
the right place cry wa ko fire sa no ye ma won ko
awon na baby
only na wrong places now to scan na o how na ba
wow
and it is very very important say obi a wo hwe me ebe ma na ni akọ date of birth
right
na obepe sia ni oti eniema na se na wa check isa eniema no ama no na wa hunu ni ye positive ni the negative
right
na wa hunu afi o planet ni zodiac what they are requiring from you
right
ansa na mamu apija
right
ni omo hia free ho ansa na watena se nyina che ni omo hia free ho ansa na yedie ni ahunye ekura ho otime ekura ma kosi awie
right so for how long and sadi we me can say zodiac plant ne lucky number date of birth ne hwan no say ebia wo hu amba wo so na wani amba wo so na watena se for 50 years and 40 years is it possible say bit me reverse ama bibia yedi aba and say entimi nye
in most of the cases omo hwe me bi dia dance like ebia o senka wo yedi it started by several 25
early 25 years
you have 22 I was so worried
okay
your man bi o kra especially omo ye wo July cancer bones I was say the brain na I was saying ka abro so 1920 no aware because omo no do na nya omo menses intem cancerians omo ye wo omo from 22nd 23rd June edibesi 20th 21st July for omo no ye omo chance no ye koto sa age group for no e man na wonu titiru e wo senka wache wo wiase kura no 2022 23 25
so why
no kwaware
right
na o woni mba tinka onya by 33 no so be 2 3 4 5 woni nkwa wawi because omo nya omtanya bra omo brantem nti omo ta etwa brantem e na obazu nya twa bra e din se obewo
right na me ka say o hwe abrabo akwantu dwumadi e wo Sikadwa TV mene Sia Nana Sikedwa and an AD Mpunimpu and they obey me for Sia 0256 998352 0256 998352 for Sia and then in come always me was happen over the same number 0256 998352 so na bibia I come see am na e bia desa anything ehwe na em wrap it up menim say
and it is a will be anti who's a tasem way.
Right.
No, I'm found building a life. None the amount to 2 young man in 10 1. That's a fail when you're 40, 45, 50 or person or rectify that situation now. So me can say the Nippon contact me. Meaning a near man may yamano. Any time I met you at the Obeya because I feel beyond only per near 1 week or 3 days in a year. At least say 35 years now. Ashia Gukwa, who bet me recover a mobile 25 years.
Wow.
Then your man cause a union was having no me. What's a Shiano when him in the next few months, years.
Okay.
Now it's me about opportunities in him.
Right.
Now they are building me maybe yes. So 35 years or 40 years in a training in a winya. 40 years, you 20 years with me. Eddie Abeka, Ebias already 80 years here. Eddie Abeka, 40 years now, I can't win him. Because 40 years now, I can't win him. Ebia, oh, a mobile 15 years, Ghana, obey me, I be because Jack, I know to me because you know the rank of Rabu. Now we could be able to now you're born in Galukum. But so to me, past years, even 10 years, even 10 years, because every one. Now they become 15 years of good years now, I can't 40 anymore. Who bet me establish I invest to an email, I build it legacy, yes, you are over 60, 70, 18. Not a help. I won't call or how many brand new children am I name. And as a who Nico Cranswa, what build the legacy, yes, I think what correcting near the brain. I'm a winching my church, comic debt be brave. To ma, engineer, Obejabiano, emphasis to the emphasis to the mamma, and so they are prosper. Wow. Yeah. Wow.
Right. Now, when you go so I will share a brabo to Jumeji or Nana and as a Sikedwa TV. Yes, Nana Sikedwa TV or Facebook Live. But money answer we share quite some so Eddie Amaya will be beyond so I will share be a young so I say, why didn't share with him for Fabra? I think so date of birth, month of birth, and I think so David Bimna with me ascending and therefore it's me a young mama maybe
with date of birth.
Date of birth. We Odebana Sia Atanse na etimi akire wo wankasa wabosu a wodi fi oso e de ba asase we so no nema papa wom ene nema bone wom na etimi amawo na watimi atwo ho afi nema bi ho ebi kura mekan you we obi a waton 17 times anya de ebo awo but e bia office bia wo de ji wani but e be how e ade a wo kra no mpe
ye wo awusu bi oho it is for Aris for
Aris,
Sagittarius for
Sagittarius,
Leo for
Leo.
Sa awusuwe mu. Se omode ensanom. Cigarette nom. Weed nom. Ehye omho a omo say. Apart from say say na brabo se ontimi nya adwuma nya ska ontimi fa nya hwe no. Esa say omo ni pedua na. Inti omutan ewu ntem.
Wow.
Obi a ohwe mi bia bi dia dance unua ensankun no cigarette kun no we kun no cocaine kun no e born in dam checking the date of birth. So when you Aris I know ye Leo and answer Sagittarius. Omo nyina na ye fire element for.
Wow.
Some profu we mu omdo mu rasa esuni dan we mu a oboa. Apart from say wo honhom na okra no ebedija no omo ni pedua nkasa nso sanse na omo san wu ntem.
Wow.
Enti se lipa ni obi onnom sansia na wofo enimu a na wofo be hu se owo wu no na se eyensa na wanoma ni wu no omo ye ho hweye bi
na mi ni mabrante bi wa akra ne papa be fa no kwa abrochi omkodi some years wa abrochi nice young guy but sa ade we nsanom ne ade ti ne papa e pam no fi abrochi US ne bagana say aka enye lesson no besesa but still want me ensano o ma hu so no musa oto esi ebi o to packet sachet and ensame mbo nsa bi adi sachet na ototo no de kogu ni dem no onom it got to a point na onom nsa ondidi afei even chance ko odidi mu kura o san onni kura si chance odidi mu ono a chance o de mo san ejan na gum
wa sa dun so gum
nti asema o kan ide wow
obekom one of the three elements zodiacs
nti ekuno emretia na ewura ne dem ho ne hu sache nsansa shew enya sam ketwa ebi kura onum wiye e wodam ho
eti saneti ba se wa hu a wa hu date of birth na wa me an check am
na wanye ho ade
a adekro no mu design say
emeyew
den kun jawo ne be say wono say wa bra bo shebre esi wani munyam kwan no oboa
we dey
be crash
wow right so now yemre na be sorry so na me say me say when our energies visit us on what reaction when intuition e show say say na me ho wuso ide me nsa etwetwe me nsa benkum kyetwe me ha bom kin and I say bia mechi twetwe me ne de is this some of the signs and the signals are in the brain
Yankopon me kan da bia wa hihye bibia to order there is what we call divine order and with that order elements of film when they are visiting you ubenya a feel of the presence of that element.
Okay.
It is said obia oyija. And also oye assassini ja combine and oye ja ne mframa combine and oye assassini nsuo combine and oye mframa ne nsuo. Tamu bia no se owo a obetimi ejafo ne titiri. Ohu se ebia ase mitiri hu ni nanim nyina ofili sa se ehhehye no. Ofili sa se ja enam mitiri hu ni hu ani nipadua hu. Unya sa presence ne pe. No, we said beings from the fire elements are around.
They visit you.
Obi so ha oye mframa. O wa hu sa se mframa nam na ni echi. Asa mframa nam ne ko asa mframa nam na so echi. Na se na ni ko ni sa. That means beings from the air elements are around.
Wow.
Obi so ha oti ho wa relax your TV. We wan say ne nsa ho ne nsa ne na ho ne na murum na etiri fifiri. Oye ota beam. For number. They are connecting the person. Feel TV na watch no. And as baby o na dey one. O feel ho kope baby tina cool kakra bi. Obenya intuition this year. So you because you're sensitive, we are say you're connecting na kobe.
Wow. And be also from afofo bi timi bof e fa udem ho na say wo abontia from afofo bi timi
bofa hu no say omwaba. We saw a strange air. To me, Pega or catching say, oh, they're Cosro.
Wow.
No one said they are there. If you saw her in Sue, baby answer says you for Bogu them. We are in Sue, a buffer who them.
Wow.
Just some beings from the water energy.
Right.
They are right there.
Now, we say,
we are most of the times, and more way the towers are. Afafanto enoma afanchereni
afafanto se wa mu akase wo mu ketwa
any type of being to meet
but we don't recognize them
omom ye earth element form afafanto enoma frogs snakes
frogs there what can you
etabom fi
frogs are some okay
kankabi.
So when we see this, Kankabi, I've experienced Kankabi, I've experienced frogs. Many of them are Papa Debi. What does it mean?
Papa Debi ni ebusia lie. Frogs and Kankabi ni nsuo ne asase lie. Obi a oye nsuo abodie based on the date of birth or connecting majority of earth elements in Biana or tiny visitation of these animals.
Wow. What if say ebiasa mwatia nsuta
almost taba almost me fra be yaopan umi open benso or daopan
until almost
two na benso started
now I don't know what we do. I was say a factor say come on and say
Kade Sano. Neka say ade bia o de buy e boni a ensanko. Papa ne buy ya emra.
Wow, and they say enam say
most of them say na mani bia need so be pe aduane bi. Akasa gu so na to
abante.
Ana say nsuo kra keke nsuo gu from nekasa.
Wow.
Ka wa ade.
So
wa ade ne obi ade nsuo gu from neka.
Right. No bia na accident a chechire no pa. O sorry o on pass one accident a chechire no. Ofa adwaye na anasita chiche no opie abonten kura no ofi adwuma ba na se o kwa abonten anasita chiche no so
one needs to repair webcasts emuni say
ye be che dey time dey no come time na so ntina dey
no kure kakra me die ni mu say e ni ma mi webcasts e be a positive
e be a positive
e be a negative
e be a negative
but most of the times we say webcasts start to chill obi pa one chere we say if you are utim anabro no out so na kuro na utim no o mpana a woni neti o yira a woni neti o de ka se mpa se wa ware na mpa no yire da so be so bia na tintan a o yire fie ho na wa ko ware hunhun na ka bi o fie ho o so we we chere kwa na utia anya sa ade bia ono we mu kwese mu yibia na omoma kwa ma mu nyeda
awomba
sigam na wo batu mu betimi a sa ono yire duan kwa mu nyes kan fa bi ntuma ko ma
wow
o ma school fees bibia very rough project is money su bia no am betimi a
so in this case what do we do
o frame ya na so wo ba me ho a betimi a hwe ne hu e kakro ye hu kan fa so abesettle
okay
na o mo ja wo ha
right na what sorry anaju no cockroach wo dem bia me kan hu e dan otim hu cockroach da efiura hu bi wo order but what sorry anaju na wojako na hu bi wo e bia o red aye na hu bi wo ho ana say hu say bi tare o dwa no na o kitchen no na wo dem ho ana say hu cockroach what do you have to do
someone so omuta ban wo dem a especially cockroaches so mo ba on China say omuta nya aduane di wo dem ana say o kitchen ana say omuta nya bi didi wo washroom omuta the good omen ebro
wow until na fa aduane ngu ho na mo be there
but say omuba na wo ompa boa wo socks no nema bi omo wia the bad omen ebro so wo hweche na obusa e ka ko a wo de a wontu ayenti a
omo wie wo
omo dan oka
ebi e usika ekura ba bewe
we say na ekura ba usika
ontuma
we say na ba wi eso hwa ba bi ade ne gun kura na nkanye bia wo say ekura timi ba ho no ba wi wonema
wow
yo obi o ha wo hwe me a ekura wo ne dem but ekura emfa na no nka bi ne dia ne kura wo ja to ne dem da
that's true
but say odidi na bi bugu won kwa dia also na mo na bi
already
so who say dey pe o say who say asase no wo adikese bi a na nhira bi na opportunity bi a also dey ma nia nipa hunu obi a onim di no nkyere wa dey also ye ma asase no
right
o fi out mi ne kuro na out so no na unya sa opportunity
and they say na na mbre so a na omudidi a omude aduane
to form
and the enam to form ya no say e wo meaning e ba be di hu nkomo
e amamre
but bobo kakra bo so kakra bi ma na fan sorry
say uhu wo jakwa most of times omo the financial predictions never wo jakwa say uhu no wo dem na o sane form a the obey that weekly that month no benya financial fluctuations
wow
sika sem be hinhim e kabia woni na so
from boni bi be
problems bi be ba ma consume sika won planning
unexpectedly
now wakwa mo chire the following week or the month
wow
say uhunu na okosoro a unni o say we that week that month investment bi ne o project bi a wo handle ni sika bi o ni da so no e be go through ma saka.
What if say dan den nyina mo osoro on ba fam?
So mo osoro ma fam that means o financial sustenance any o household blessings no I will say a your priority. Now who adwene a we put in place. Now they increase usika amudi any sika we save. Any enuane ni apomdene ni nnuro a I will say to be fie. Now household no health a paramount to you.
The priority to concern to you. Right. And some boy so be home and you come. You home and you
say never return come me say. Say obeto aduane na wa huna odi a obetimi yawu.
Okay.
Aha ni ntine do unsuom na huna no ma betimi ma ya bebre. But eno no danchan a so pie wo dem na hunu si akimu a o sane for mo a osikasem mo bese.
Wow. Because we be aba.
O kosura osikasem e be kosura. Tini nyina na o se hunu bia o se wo ye fa ho.
Obi say o kodware eno hu se wo jako ni bi. Asane so aba fam o dware ho no o yes o de ade e bo no no wa hu ni bi wa yira wa hu be fire
so any pan of this message ni buy from that day ni be sin ne ya o hwem how many days or weeks intervals from that time no on check it na adwumasem ni sikasem senate
adwumasem ni sikasem ko ye na
very good
na adwumasem ni sikasem em ko ye kura
especially
up to now
wo san hu adwaye a wo dwaye everything I want to for be and how our business so kwa be a shop enipa ba wo de nyama kodwa se na sito everything has gone down to the drain.
And so what jako no hu am na say we are naked and as we have naked does it have any link
and enya kra
na ni boss no so ni
boss no naked enya
e did never
say especially we are naked na ni hu na open kunu aduani afa fofo one we are that week and that month obetimi no ukunu betimi no akontokwa hunu nyame amwa awego amba separation deba wow nyame amwa nso a ukunu efiri okona na hu akona start efiri ukunu
wow
omo very powerful beings but answer no mbebe bia na asem wo answer no mo aba omba bia message no mo deba
joba no say oyeketwa what does it mean osun so I say
osun the magnitude of blessing say problem this way magnitude of problem
okay
say osun this way the magnitude of the problem or they say that's why the magnitude of the they most of the times every out table out there so adie o table out there Bible to so kenkan o ta bom pai wo so o ta de request eto so say wo hu bi say onenam o yeketo no nam sa table no so a say wo bekunu say wo nkunu yo adie kitikiti bi e de oil na say doko nsan na sense ade ne eye e wo sa particular table na so we ya senka boni no odibo say papa no odibo unya isa de say kiu request bi e that table no so bia no be nya results
say right request bi so e da wa koma so say ejuma say contract
so person to kan person ye die
and so
unya isa de no e bra wo hu sa akwa no ansa na wakuna na so anya na ngumi pa we be nya results.
What if say when kunu now farm now they say WC
now say at the corner who here no table no so at that moment now be fast one who the audience you and some doctor na sense and na oil be ya when fast so flash no so at the end of be say na the corner be say
wow right emre na be on your destiny according to your date of birth no sima bibi fufuro hon man bosu menu back me na e pastor immediate
ade etwa 12 ya woda na me pese nipa hu ni se wa woda no madodo ewo mu ene anopo a esi no ene kire ensono madodo ekura
okay
ahonhon dodo edi wachi
okay
papa ewo mu boni ewo abusua no bia level of 3 baaye
okay
o papa fam no so level of 3 baaye o ma me fam no o nananam dodo a o ma ho de ne ka ho o papa fam so o nananam dodo a o ma ho de ne ka ho afei planet ni zodiac ni constellation eno na me yehunu baabi a eno so uso no originate free ye ene constellation ni planets ahodo a okra no atena so pen.
Right.
Moment e be no omo nyina na ba on this earth into action. Some against you, some for you,
in favor of you.
So yehuna ene betimi ma guidelines here be guide who against all these things.
Right. Is that more into destiny? Destiny according to your birth. Is there more? Next week.
There is more to destiny according to your date of birth.
Right. So the Akabia and I think say the free you know. Production time kakra so asan kan ye de honti. I think say we cannot extend it further. The basic ha. Member say obi chia nipa ba ko menu.
Yo.
Afi wo asem bia we kan we do we chira kwan san to dwa mo.
Me chia Armies of Christ Kingdom Ministry. Imagine
Armies of Christ Kingdom Ministry.
Elohim Kingdom Temple.
Elohim Kingdom Temple.
Imagine am chia obia.
Right.
Me chia me papa Penyini Bako. Bishop Dr. Osikwati.
Bishop Dr.
Osikwati. Papa Prophet Joshua J.
Okay.
Chia Papa Apostle Eric Asantibodi. Chia mi nuanum asofo mo ma mu Ghana ha nyina.
No, we chia kwan na.
Me san chira kwan ewo Maduma Kumasi Abbas Junction.
Kumasi Abbas.
Na se Mampontin Gas Junction.
Right.
Oduru ho na ofre me a e ba pick you. Ana se Eden Petroleum ani nyina na ne Mampontin Gas Junction ne ben.
Right.
Now for
number ben maybe it's me a show it's me also. Number ben.
The numbers I say 0256.
Right.
99 83 52 0256 99 83 52 0559 653 723. And that's it for you now.
Right. Na and there and I'm remember my pine I did media no. I see some for Yamicas and did many channel. So anytime be our a program used to be I stress we are building a community and Tibomodi answer Ube follow ye, Ube like here, you media and I think so comment it or comment the here papa and Ube Boama yet me who so problem na it me ama ye at me so I know at the amount. So we see some name we do my same name we I want to in the dawanim and I say visa no why ya wonye bi wo I want to so na say siska no so e bi mba Japade no ntimi nya bi adwuma yi ankofo ye Japade no so wonya bi na why ya fe sia ewo number 0256 9983 0256998352 kwan sonko na nana sikedwa sia wado esuko ewo honhom ne honam zodiac cosmic energy 4 elements then astrology then baby out in befa bia wabene address ko na obeboa ayiwa no musonfo nyame kase na de dwuma de chiame share video no na afofo so enya ho paso that's nyame adma Sunday Wesiada every Sunday for abro ebe to aso destiny according to your birth and